colours, let's start off looking at what colours are. You might be aware that there are three primary colours, which are the blues, the yellows and the reds. So if we're looking at the three primary colours, I'll demonstrate there's a primary colour of cad red, primary colour of a blue, and a primary colour of a yellow. When two of the three primary colours are mixed together, that's when you get a secondary colour. And when you mix all three primary colours together, that's when you get tertiary colours. So you can appreciate that when you mix the blue and the yellow together, you'll get a green. When you mix the yellow and the red together, you'll get an orange. And when you mix the red and the blue together, you'll get a purple. The purple, the green and the orange are your secondary colours. So when I'm demonstrating and also when I'm painting, you'll see that I don't use the same brush across different colours. I tend to keep my brushes clean, and therefore you keep your colours clean. So when you're looking at mixing red and blue, you'll see that I'll put that as the secondary colour. When you're mixing yellow and blue together, you're going to get a green, and I'll use tertiary for that one, and an orangey colour, which I'm going to create, and that's using the yellow and the red together. So these secondary colours are important because they are complementary colours to your primaries. When I say complementary colours, use the complement of a primary colour when you're, say, using it in shadows. So if you've created a red robe and you want to put colour into the shadows of that red robe, you're going to use its complement. So the complement of the red will actually be a green because it's the one that's not used when the other two are mixed together. When you're talking about the complement of yellow, the complement of yellow is in fact purple because it's the colour that the other two primaries are creating. So the complement of yellow is purple. The complement of green, now green is made with the blue and the yellow, so the complement of green is red. And the complement of orange is, since orange is made of yellow and red mixed together, the complement of orange is blue. You will never get as strong a colour and a sharper colour as when you put the two complements together. So orange always looks most orange when it's placed next to its complement, which is blue. Purple always looks most purple when it's placed next to its complement, which is yellow. And red looks amazingly red when it's put next to its complement, green. So you use these particular colours to bounce off each other, and they're used beautifully to create a vibration in colour as well. Put them into the shadows, or into reflected lights, that also works very nicely.